Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Zondi Land, your ultimate travel guide for exploring the world one adventure at a time. I'm Dan, your travel buddy, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me. Sorsogon City, the capital of Sorsogon Province, is a vibrant coastal city known for its scenic bay views, rich culture, historical sites, and ecotourism attractions. It serves as the gateway to many of Sorsogon's natural wonders, including beaches, hot springs, waterfalls, and whale shark interactions. Here are some top attractions in Sorsogon City and nearby towns. Bulusan Volcano Natural Park is a protected rainforest reserve in Bulusan, Sorsogon, home to the majestic Mount Bulusan, a serene crater lake, rich biodiversity, and adventure activities. It is one of the most scenic ecotourism spots in the Bicol region.
So finally nakapunta na ako dito sa Bulusan Volcano Nature Park. So nagmotor din ako. Medyo matagal din yung biyahe. Mga 30 minutes from Biyong Hot Spring. Dito yung registration area. Medyo maulan na yun. May shuttle. How much na?
265 per.
Pwede kumain dito. Wait. Ito yung overlooking. So this is a mountain. Ayan, tama. Kasi isa. So magbo-boating ako. Since mag-isa ako, 600 yung babayaran ko. So 500 na lang yung boating pag solo, no? So ito yung boat. Ano yung sasakyan? Ito. Yan. Ganyan yung boat. Na worth 500. Pang-5 daw to. Ito, waiting din sila sa boat. Ito yung sasakyan kong boat. Sasakay na ako.
Medyo basa naman yata si sir.
Mabasa ako. Sige. Galing akong
Tama po sir.
Okay. Yeah. Uy, madulas.
Sige, sige. Gitna lang po sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Na... Ano dito sa lake? Ano? Bulusan Lake po, no?
Opo, Bulusan Lake po. Itong Bulusan Lake po, ilalim po siya na 78 feet. Sa gitna.
Anong pangalan niyo?
Good afternoon po. Ako po si Salvador Cuental po. Ang
Tour guide. Kayo po?
Apo ng
Narciso. Taga rito lang po kayong dalawa?
Opo, taga rito lang po.
Okay.
Bulusan Lake is a picturesque emerald green lake nestled at the foot of Mount Bulusan. Visitors can kayak, paddleboard, or take a boat ride to enjoy the peaceful surroundings. A short nature trail around the lake offers breathtaking views.
78 feet ang lalim niya. Opo. Sa gitna. Pero sa gilid niyan, mababaw lang po ang sa gilid niyan. Yan po yung bulaklak na nakalugo sa 5 piso coins.
Ah, galing! Blue.
Dito ka lang makakakita niya sa Sorsogon. Isa na dito sa
Ang tawag ay?
Tayabak. Goodbye.
Goodbye?
Good.
Goodbye?
Goodbye.
Wow!
The park is home to diverse flora and fauna, including rare orchids, hornbills, wild boars, and Philippine deer. It is ideal for bird watching and photography.
May mga isda din dito.
Ang mga nabubuhay po na isda dito ay karpa, hito, dalag, at saka mga gurami.
Gurami? Ano yung gurami?
Parang ano din siya, parang tilapia din siya.
Ah. Parang feel ko mas maganda ngayon kasi mas green. may, ano ba tawag doon? Clearing ba yun?
Pagka may clearing po, pagka walang fog, maganda po ang...
Yung sa vulkan.
Malayo po sa pagka.
Iba pala yun.
Kasi itong lake na ito, isa siyang mountain lake. Hindi po siya lake ng Mount Pulusan.
Mount Pulusan is one of the most active volcanoes in the Philippines, standing at 1,565 meters. Experienced hikers can embark on challenging treks to its summit.
Pagbalsa dito lang, di ba? Sa gitna sabi mo. Alam ba nila hanggang doon na?
Oo. Kasi ano naman yun, bago sila sumakay, pinapasiwan.
Tapos tatalon. May nag-overnight din ba dito? Walang hotel dito. Thank you, kuya. Kaway ka muna. Punta naman kami sa Hanging Bridge. Ang Hanging Bridge ay magkano? 100. Pero pwede din mag-trekking, di ba? Dito rin dadaan.
Opo.
Ang trekking naman ay magkano?
10 pesos.
10 pesos?
Opo.
Okay. Around the lake yun, di ba?
Opo. 4.8 kilometers around the lake.
Pero 45 minutes, sabi mo?
45 minutes po yan sa natural na lakad.
Oo. Nagkaka-landslide ba dito?
Hindi naman. Gawa ng hindi siya basta-basta dahil sa marami ang puno.
Various hiking trails lead to waterfalls, springs, and dense jungle areas. The loop trail around Bulusan Lake is great for beginners.
So, ano nga to? Pwede ditong mangisda.
Pwede dyan mga isda.
Ito sementado, kuya, yung daan, no? Sinemento na din.
Ano to mga pahiro pa ng pagkuha namin kay Gio sa Tierra para magkaroon ng
Semento. Bakit may tumbang puno?
yan natumba yung puno na yan dahil nasa pag-stay. Hindi na yung tinatanggal dahil wala pang naibibigay na clearance. Hanggang wala pang clearance, hindi yan tatanggal na yan.
Yan? Anong puno yung mga yan? Malalaking puno na
Malalaking
yan.
puno na yan, lawaan po yan.
Lawaan. Lawaan.
Lawaan. Hardwood ginagamit sa mga practical. Ang limit, mas mga
Suspension bridge.
100.
150 meters, no?
100.
Bawal maligo dito.
Maligo dyan kasi sa ilalim ko lang ng lake na yan.
Ano?
Puro kahoy mo sa ilalim. Yung mga locals po, yung mga taga rito lang, napayagan po namin. Yan dahil sa alam nila kung saan sila.
Katuwa, dami halaman. So nakikita siya dito. Meron pa rin. Ano pangalan ng hanging bridge na to? Meron ba?
Ang pangalan po ito, paano po yan?
Na ano siya, nagsishake siya talaga, ano.
Dry season between November to May is the best time to visit for the best weather. Early morning is also advised for a more peaceful and cooler trek.
Ano? Ayun, ito daw ginagawang kaong. So ito yung kaong na puno.
Talaga yan. Tawag dyan.
Ito daw yung kaong. And may ass daw. Oh! Ayun nga! Totoo ba yan?
Opo. Ang kasi mga
Mamaya sa prop.
Why visit Bulusan Volcano Natural Park? It's a perfect mix of adventure and relaxation, offering a pristine natural escape with stunning landscape, thrilling activities, and abundant wildlife. Next spot is the Rampiolas Bay Walk, a seaside promenade with stunning sunset views and local food stalls. Rampiolas, located in Sorsogon City, is a popular seaside promenade and park that offers breathtaking views of Sorsogon Bay, a relaxing atmosphere, and a vibrant local scene. It serves as a favorite spot for locals and visitors looking to unwind, enjoy the sea breeze, and take in the stunning sunset.
Ito na yung lighthouse. Medyo bumuha na din pala siya. Ito yung isa taas.
There are scenic waterfront views overlooking the calm waters of Sorsogon Bay with a backdrop of mountains and distant islands.
May hanging bridge dito. Pamangrove.
A well-maintained baywalk, perfect for jogging, biking, or a leisurely stroll. And there are local food stalls and street vendors offering a variety of affordable local snacks like grilled seafood, barbecue, and other street foods. There are open spaces and benches, making it great for families, couples, and solo travelers. Best time to visit would be late afternoon to evening for cooler weather and spectacular sunset. Also in weekends when more food stalls and vendors are open, creating a livelier vibe.
Yan, dito tayo sa Barcelona, Sorsogon.
Next spot is the Barcelona Church and Ruins. Located in Barcelona, Sorsogon, is one of the oldest and most well-preserved Spanish-era churches in the region. Officially known as St. Joseph Parish Church, this heritage site is admired for its historic stone structure, scenic coastal views, and nearby ruins of a Spanish garrison and municipal hall. Built in 1874 during the Spanish colonial period, the church is made from coral stones and lime, showcasing Spanish-Filipino architectural style. It features a simple yet grand facade with arched windows and thick stone walls. It is still an active place of worship, holding regular masses.
Barcelona Church ruins.
Barcelona ruins are remnants of an old Spanish municipal building and fortress once used as a garrison during the Spanish occupation. The ruins are located just across the church, offering a glimpse into Sorsogon's colonial past. It has overgrown vines and weathered stones, adding to its historical charm.
Meron din ditong Residencia del Amor, pero hindi ito yung sikat na Residencia del Amor kasi Santa Magdalena pala yun.
Next spot is the Residencia del Amor. Located in Bacon, Sorsogon, is a luxury resort that offers a blend of elegance, relaxation, and breathtaking natural scenery. This resort provides a tranquil escape with panoramic views, infinity pools, and high-end accommodations.
So, ito yung harapan. Hindi sure kung ba yung paliguan yung harap. Kasi parang may breakwater na eh. So, I think hindi. Ganda din dito. Social.
Luxurious accommodation offering modern villas and casitas with panoramic mountain forest views, infinity pools with stunning views, where you can enjoy a refreshing swim while overlooking rolling hills and lush landscapes, a serene and exclusive atmosphere perfect for getaway, for couples, families, and honeymooners looking for a peaceful retreat, and world-class service and amenities featuring a fine dining restaurant, spa services, and nature-inspired activities. Next tour spot is the 16K Blue Roses. The 16K Blue Roses attraction in Casiguran, Sorsogon is a stunning LED rose garden featuring 16,000 glowing blue roses that create a dreamy and romantic atmosphere, especially at night. It has become a popular tourist spot for couples, families, and photographers looking for a unique and Instagram-worthy experience. Best time to visit would be in the evening or nighttime, where the LED roses are most beautiful when they light up after sunset. Finally, you have to try their delicious local foods and delicacies like kinunot or spicy stingray dish, Bicol Express, sili ice cream, and the local favorite, pili nuts.
Try natin yung kinunot. Sarap yung pagi or yung stingray meat. Then, may suka siya. Lasang-lasa mo yung gata. May ginger, may garlic. So, rich in spices siya. You have to try it. So, creamy siya dahil sa gata. So may kaba and alaman. Then may mga parang shrimp paste din. Yung maliliit na mga hipon. Siyempre, there's spices which is the chili or the pepper. Then onion spring. Malambot yung meat. Then ang sarap din ng hipon. Perfect na salt. Then nakasarap talaga yung gata nila. Masarap sa kanin. Very good. Sige, tingnan natin kung maanghang. Nakapahal ako. Ice cream naman, so malamang amis pa rin naman. Smooth yung texture. Tapos may pagka-creamy siya. So I think it balances the spiciness. Pero yun, wala ko mahilig kasi ako sa maanghang. So may anghang nga siya, medyo maanghang. Ang sarap ng pagkaanghang niya. Like yung green na sili, like sa Dynamite. So parang ganun siya, yung lasa. Parang may gata din. So masarap siya. I love it. Nasa mo yung sigli. So if you want to buy pasalubong dito sa Otok. Yung nasapan, masarap po. Yung mga bayong, mga gamit sa baka.
Sorsogon City offers a mix of nature, history, culture, and food in one destination. It's a must-visit travel destination. This is Auntie Land, your favorite travel buddy. Thanks for watching!